After last year's overwhelming response for Asanathon, I'm excited to bring it back in 2024. Yes, Asanathon 2024 is happening, and it will be taking place this September on the 25th. This year, we're focusing on AI and showcasing how Asana is leading the way in empowering teams through AI-powered automation, smart project management, and advanced goal tracking, and more. We'll be bringing in Asana and AI experts to lead a panel discussion, workshops, and sessions tailored for different expertise levels. So if you're seasoned pro, or if you're just getting started with Asana, you're bound to find a session that works for you. We're even hosting a live Asana audit session where you'll get the chance to show your Asana workflows and projects to an Asana expert and get real-time advice on improvements. But if you're not ready to share what's behind the curtain, you can still bring in your Asana-related questions and ask for guidance on different workflow optimization strategies. Asanathon 2024 is all about you and giving you the most value. And best of all, it's 100% free. So don't wait too long. Hurry up and get yourself and your team registered. We'll see you there.